Froggy jumps from log to log, waving high to a sleepy dog. Splash, splash in the stream, jumping high like in a dream. Ribbit, ribbit, hop, 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 Froggy never wants to stop. Bounce up high, then land so low. Where will little Froggy go? He jumps in mud, he jumps on leaves, hides behind the apple trees. He croaks a song, la la la. Froggy is a jumping star. Ribbit, ribbit, hop, 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 Froggy never wants to stop. Bounce up high, then land so low. Where will little Froggy go? Froggy sees a butterfly, flies above him in the sky. He jumps up high to say hello, then back down, nice and slow. He meets a duck, a beetle too, says let's play, just me and you. They run and jump and spin around, making such a happy sound. Ribbit, ribbit, hop, 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 Froggy never wants to stop. Bounce up high, then land so low. Where will little Froggy go? But when the sun begins to set, Froggy says it's bedtime yet. He yawns so big his eyes blink slow. Time to end this Froggy show. Ribbit, ribbit, hop, 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 now it's time for Froggy to stop. Snuggled up he dreams so deep, Froggy's fast asleep. Beep, beep.